This is just a quick view of this before I glue it together. And that plastic lays out. You see where it's got a shoulder in there. And this has been lathed down, so there's a little lip right in here. Using the sunlight from outside this morning. So this will fit in here. This is soldered here, but that's stainless, so it really isn't stuck here. But this will all be epoxied in here. And then here's the radials for the bottom. But I want to show this before this was epoxied together. I'll have a couple pictures of it.